I hope you enjoyed the video from yesterday about learning what it was like a long time ago and Mrs. Little's story today, and you're learning about how it was like in the past and how that was different from what it is like today. So that is what we are going to do in this book that you have. And this book is going to be a book that you keep and work on just one page at a time, like we did with our citizenship book. So when we were working on how to be a good citizen, so of course you're going to put your name on the front, and you can color the front any way you want. Make it beautiful whenever you have some time. And today, though, this is the page that we're going to be doing. Here's the page number 1 and lesson 1. Remember how sometimes they match up and sometimes they don't. Today, it does match up when you do it. And if you want to get your book out and do it with me today, you can do that. If you want to just listen, you can do that too. But if you're going to go and get your book, then you should pause the video and you should get your book and you should get your supply kit. So you have some crayons or some colored pencils. I will let you use whichever one you want to use today. If you're not going to do that and you just want to listen and work on it later, that's fine too. So this is the page that we're doing today, just this side, not this side. So we have 3 different words here. So we're going to do one at a time. First, we're looking at the past. So what we're going to do is color which one of these pictures goes with the past. So you're not going to have time, if you are doing it with me, you're not going to have time to color your whole picture right now, but maybe if you just color a little part of it, if you think it's this one, if you think it's this one, which one looks like the past? Past means it already happened. Okay, now we're going to look at this one, the present. It means right now. So it looks like this little boy is holding a book and he's reading by candlelight, because I'm guessing they didn't have light switches or lamps. This little girl is Andy's sitting on the floor. This little girl is sitting on a chair. She's got a table with a lamp next to her reading a book. Which picture looks like it's happening in the present? The present is right now, the time that's happening right now as you are growing up. So right now in the present doesn't mean this exact second, but it means right now as you are growing up. Is it this picture that kids have to sit on the floor and read by a candle, or that we get to sit on furniture and use lamps so that we can read? Whichever one you think. So you're going to put a little color on it so you don't forget, or you just remember in your head for when you do it later. And then, which one shows the future? A long time from now. Is that a baby? Or this picture of the lady? The future, a long time from now. What will happen a long time from now? This one or this one? And then if you're doing it with me, You can go back to color those, but this is what I want you to do. And if you're not doing it with me, you can still listen along. You're going to put your finger on your star, so you'll have to look at the screen where I'm touching, and then you'll have to do it on your paper. And then it says, I will get old in the future. I will get old in the future. Yes or no? I will get old in the future. What do you think? Color whichever one you think. I will get old in the future. Then we move our finger to the flower. See the flower? Here, I can even zoom in for you. So get your paper if you have it on your flower. Long ago means it happened far back in the past. Yes or no? Long ago means it happened far back in the past. I hope you're coloring this one. So that's how we talk about the past, the present, the future. I hope you're excited about learning about the past and the present and the future, because we are going to keep learning about it as we do our long ago book. So when I tell you to get out your long ago book, this is it. Okay? I will see you guys all later.